It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Thursday, the 3rd of September. I'm Michael Groff. Another round of excessive, perhaps record-breaking heat coming into the valley just in time for the Labor Day weekend, but somewhat cooler temperatures will be in here by the middle part of next week. Just how cool will it get? How long will that last? And what about rain chances? Well, we'll talk about it first. Look at the almanac from yesterday, 102 degrees the afternoon high. 85 was the morning low, the normal high 103, the normal low 81. Outside now here at 5:40 a.m. Clear sky out there. The sun will be rising over the valley in the next 20 to 25 minutes or so. We're starting out at 88 degrees at Sky Harbor, but look at that dew point up at 68. It's very muggy out there, a little surface moisture around, relative humidity 52%. The winds are calm and the barometer is rising. Temperatures around the area this morning, 72 the cool spot at Fort McDowell, 75 Goldfield, 78 at Granite Reef Dam, but most locations in the metro are in the 80s to near 90. The upper air look shows high pressure becoming the dominant weather feature here across the western United States. That will remain so all the way through the Labor Day weekend. And the infrared satellite view shows severe clear, not a cloud to be found across Arizona and the entire desert southwest. Checking out the watch warning map, some dense fog advisories around Kansas City, St. Louis, and some of the adjacent areas. Heat advisories for portions of west central and southwest Florida, around Fort Myers up to Lakeland, Tampa Bay, and Cedar Key. And if you want to talk about heat, you'll find plenty of it out here in the west with, of course, the high fire danger continuing and all those excessive heat watches and warnings from the desert southwest up into the valleys of central and northern California and southwest Oregon. As far as Phoenix is concerned, our excessive heat warning is from 10 a.m. Friday morning through 8 p.m. Monday. Here's the convective outlook for today. The enhanced risk of severe storms around Baltimore and Washington, D.C. Another marginal risk over portions of lower Michigan as well as South Texas. And precipitation valid through next Thursday morning from the WPC. West of the Rockies, basically nothing at all. Here in Arizona, rain amounts generally under 1/4 of an inch for the rim country, and that may occur with a system due in here by the middle part of next week. Kind of a complex weather situation there. We'll talk about that and everything else going on as we dive in and take a look at modeling. Here we go to the GFS, the 06Z run, valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. There's the old 594 heat dome building in here across the western states, and so down at the surface, yeah, it's going to be muggy this morning. Most of that will mix out by this afternoon, though. High temperatures 104 to 107. Tonight, clear skies, lows mostly in the 80s. And then tomorrow, sunny and even hotter with that area of high pressure sitting just to the north across Utah and Nevada, upper heights around 597 decameters. So high temperatures 110 to 113. We will be flirting with record highs again here in the valley. And the Labor Day weekend looks very similar. Highs 109 to 112 Saturday, 108 to 111 on Sunday, 107 to 110 for Labor Day. There could be an isolated thunderstorm over in the White Mountains, but generally speaking, the entire Southwest will stay dry. Now, as we go to Tuesday, we see the overall weather pattern starting to change quite a bit here. Broad troughing developing over the plains, a rather vigorous short wave over the northern Rockies that will be dropping southward toward the Four Corners. Our ridge of high pressure will be weakening and moving off to the west or retrograding. As a result, high temperatures on Tuesday likely in the 103 to 106 range, and we're going with a forecast of mid and upper 90s in the valley for Wednesday. And that's the GFS solution, but let's look at the European. And it's got a much different solution here. It's got the short wave developing into a closed low and cutting off around the Four Corners. Now, if this were to verify, we would still be dry in all likelihood, although maybe some isolated showers and storms possible in the high country, but temperatures would be much cooler. The European is printing out highs in the upper 80s to near 90 next Wednesday. Not sure it's going to be that cool, but that shows you we have a kind of diverse model solution set here. All right, let's go to a week from today. This is Thursday, the 10th of September. Back off the GFS, it's got the short wave moving on to the plain states. A dry northwesterly flow here, high temperatures pretty seasonal. And going out 10 days to the end of the period, this is Saturday the 12th. And the 591 ridge is building back in across the southwest, so we're still hot and dry, although not as hot as we have been, certainly. Highs would likely be between about 100 to 104 or so. All right, let's take a look at precipitation off the European ensemble. 51 members here. Many of them show nothing, although there are several that are at least trying to bring in some light precipitation at the middle part of next week. Once again, model spread is pretty high and confidence is still rather low as to exactly what will play out, but we do think cooler and breezy weather will be in here for at least a day or two the middle of next week. Looking at temperatures off the national blend of models, 113 tomorrow, 112 Saturday, a very hot Labor Day weekend ahead, but then those upper 90s in here for the middle part of next week, perhaps even cooler than that. Stay tuned. And that'll do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and click the notification bell so that whenever a brand new video is posted, you'll get the notice. Your comments, questions, and suggestions always encouraged as well. I thank you so much for watching. Be safe, stay cool, drink plenty of water, watch your kids around the pool, and have yourselves a wonderful Thursday.